Putting yourself on the map. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, put one on the map. Have you heard this phrase before? Wondering what it means and how you can use it in your conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery together. At its core, put one on the map is an idiom used to describe the action of making someone or something famous, well-known, or highly regarded in a certain area or field. This phrase often implies that the person or entity has achieved something significant enough to gain widespread recognition or attention. It's like suddenly everyone knows who they are or what they've done because of this one big achievement. Understanding the origins of idioms can be fascinating and helps us grasp their meanings more deeply. The phrase, put one on the map, likely comes from the idea of a place becoming so significant or noteworthy that it would be marked on maps for everyone to see. In the past, only places of major importance made it onto maps, so being put on the map meant you or your place had achieved a notable status. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In the world of technology, the release of the innovative smartphone put the company on the map. The young athlete's gold medal win at the Olympics put her hometown on the map. Discovering a rare species of bird in the region has put the national park on the map among birdwatchers. These examples show how varied the application of this phrase can be, from personal achievements to the recognition of places. Now that you know what it means and have seen some examples, let's talk about using put one on the map in your conversations. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to express or highlight a significant achievement or recognition. It's a way to acknowledge someone's success or the importance of a place in a very vivid and impactful manner. And there you have it, folks. We hope this video has put the phrase, put one on the map, on your linguistic map. It's a powerful idiom for discussing achievements and recognitions, both big and small. Whether you're talking about a person, a place, or an event, using this phrase can add color and depth to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more insights into the English language. Keep learning, and see you next time.